Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create pay vendor bill reminder in QuickBooks Online so you will get notified to pay vendor bills on time. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to your top right corner here to open the workflow automation. If you cannot find it, you can just go to your search box and you can search for workflow. And then you will find your workflow automation. You can click on it. And then as you can see, you will find a lot of templates here, but we're gonna use our own template. We're gonna create it. You can just click this green icon and then we're gonna click to build. After that, you can choose the notification and click next. Then you can, name it maybe by pay vendor reminder. And then it's obviously bill and you can choose to send notification. And after bill is created, and then you can choose send an email. And then you can choose or when this happen, when bill payment status is unpaid. And you can just click save and turn on. After that, you will get notified whenever the bill is created. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.